Well, we're here in the van. Today's video, we're going to be working on extending my sink cabinet, and I wanted to show you guys the floor that Shelly and I put together. And she's doing her acupuncture.
Auricular acupuncture.
So she's not moving around much because she doesn't want the needles to fall out.
I have needles in my ears.
And then this little rascal has been protecting her, running around like a maniac. Now she's sleeping. Anyway, here's the floor, and because I'm in a chair, it is so much easier to roll around on here. It may not look like much, but it's a lot of space in here, and I can maneuver around with the dog. Well, before we had a carpet and a rug over it, and it was like a furry rug, so everything just kind of tumbled underneath my chair, and it made it really hard for me to get around. But anyway, on to today's project. I got a Jackery down here getting in my way too. So. Yeah, by the way, I got this light. I don't even know what brand it is. It ended up being like $9 after all the discounts on Amazon. It charges your phone. Gudka. It charges your phone, like fast charges it. So I'm impressed. And you can set it to whatever, either to alternate colors or to one specific color. Okay, so today's project is we're trying to. So I got these things on Amazon, and they kind of open up like they go like that, and then they lock in. And then to release, you like do that. The goal is to like bolt them to this, and this becomes my extension of the table, and it was cut perfectly to fit right here. So now I have more cooking surface area, and when we get home, I'm gonna paint this white to kind of match the cabinet doors.
We should paint this white also anyway. Might as well.
Yeah, I want to paint this top white, or just paint it the same gray as the floor. I don't know, because that'll kind of blend in with that over there. So I haven't decided on paint. But
we have a lot of white paint. So.
These things, $7 on Amazon. They supposedly hold 200 pounds between the two of them. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna drill some holes, bolt them in. And I'm gonna put this here to imitate. So that way I know how much back to push this. Like I'm gonna pretend that this is the table. And once I bolt them onto that, then I put them on there and bolt them in the plywood here. So that's the plan. Hopefully it works out. And I got some Milwaukee tools, and I just picked up Milwaukee little screwdriver attachment kit set thing for my impact gun. Here, and okay, it still has some juice in it. Good. Yep, this is full. Okay, I'm slowly gonna eyeball this. So kind of like that. Don't move. Okay. I'm gonna drill some holes and bolt it in.
The other side's smoother, isn't it? Or is it the same? I'd put that side on here, rotate it.
So I marked these two spots. I marked them a little too far to the left, so I'm gonna drill it to the right. Well, there it is. It's done. It's done. It's sturdy as fuck. Like, it's super sturdy. Like, it's not one of those cheapy ones that, like, starts to sag or whatever. I don't know about 200 pounds, but I would definitely, like, trust somebody standing on this. Like, it's that sturdy. I like it. So it extended my table by, like, I mean, at least like 40 to like 30% or so. Yeah, it's a lot more space. So then now over here, you guys can see that. You go, no, there it goes. Then it folds down. Oh yeah, and to raise it up, it's really easy. Just, that's it. You can do it one-handed. That's how it works. Well, there you guys have it. It's done. I think that's all I'm gonna do here tonight. Is that all we're supposed to do?
I think so.
We got these little thingies to put stuff in when we're sleeping. We got 3 of them.
Did I really put a napkin on Lulu when she was eating?
On what?
I put a napkin on Lulu when she was eating.
Yeah, so she wouldn't make a mess.
Oh my
You're a
God.
good mommy to her.
Oh my God.
I have a GoPro mount right there. I'm gonna test it really quick and see how the view looks from up there. I don't know if this works or not work, or this pole's in the way. I'm gonna have to see. But if it, I hope it works. Maybe not. There you guys have it. You can extend tables or workspace or work area or your van desk or whatever by using that thing, and then it just goes boom and it's ready to go. Cool. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.